Okay, everyone, when you are in my house, do not tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no-no. You don't touch my stuff. You don't touch my fire alarm. You don't touch my light fixtures. You don't do any of that. Say you are coming into my house. You come into my house, you play with the light switch on my wall, you take the light fixture off the ceiling, you take the bulbs out of it, you take the globe out of it, and you take the lampshade out of the lamp, you play with the switch on it, and you take the bulb out of it. That is tampering with my light fixtures, and you don't do that. Also, if I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling and you take it off the wall or the ceiling, that is tampering with my fire alarm. You don't do that. That is a big no-no. Bye.